The book depth service displays book depth for selected database, symbol, and date. In this case, we're looking at the LSE sample database, which covers data from January through March 2024. Now, only the data assets that have level 2 or level 3 book data are shown in this listing. You can see there's still quite a lot of them. Now you've selected VOD, Vodafone, as a symbol, and we start by showing book data across, or book depth across the day. Now we can drag our mouse to zoom into a particular time period. And we start to show the book down to a certain set of levels. Let's increase the levels from 5 to 25. We can also limit the book to a certain skew from best. Now if I zoom in again, we see the book to 25 levels. Now the color intensity represents the size at that particular price level. On the bottom we see the size up to our limits. On the ask and bid, ask in red, bid in blue, and then we have the imbalance shown across the period as well. Now we can keep on zooming into an area of interest by dragging and pulling out the data. And we can select a point in time by using our vertical time selector. And now we see our intense red corresponds to our order here. And as we go closer, the order gets closer to the BBO, where it may execute. And now we're going to a new set of orders again. So on the right hand side we see the book at our selected point in time, showing the top 25 levels that we've selected. And if it's a level 3 data set, which is the case for LSE, we can see each individual order ID and its details, including when the order was last updated. We can keep zooming in by dragging, or we can double click to zoom out to look at the whole day again. Now you can enter the symbol and retrieve the book depth for that database and symbol. If you don't know the symbol, we can click on the question mark and either retrieve a list of all symbols up to our limit, or start typing. Let's look at Tesco again. Go. That's coming back with our item. Click on the item and that will update the symbol, and we can start returning book depth for our new selection.